Kia ora, my name is Allyssia.
And what are today, WINTON School? I'm Kaylee. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for the upper the 25th of Movember.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder, this term you must wear your sun hats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
And a quick kia ora to those students returning sports gear to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and interval. Ka pai koutou.
Library news. Open today for returns, browsing and issues.
And get in quick, there's some brand new books for browsing too.
Okay, let's get into te Kupu or te Wiki. This week's word is toru, which is te reo for three.
As in, e toru nā mea, there are three things.
Nā mea nu-nui e ki ana.
Okay, touch news. Panthers, Tigers and Leopards, you have training today.
Meet on the library steps at lunchtime.
And year 1 and 2 teams, listen up. Winton Bears, Cheetahs, Warriors and Wombles meet in the junior lunch area at 12:45. Kia ora.
Okay, birthday news. Only one today at WINTON School. Madison Excel is all pakeke today and turning the big 8.
That's right. Happy birthday, Madison. Ra whānau kia koe. Have a great day.
Okay, that's it for everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite popo.
Haere rā, and share the shed, Winton School.